Okay, here we are in the Gecko Cafe in Lightning Ridge, and I'm sitting with Andrew Wilson, gourmet milkshake drinker, and he's about to give us his unrivaled judgment on his latest milkshake. Over to you, Andrew.
It's got a sweet aftertaste. Whilst drinking it, it's probably a 10. The size of it is definitely a 9. So overall, I give it an 8.
Thanks, Andrew. How's it been on the trip so far? Had any other 8s, or just this the first 8 from the trip, is it?
At St George, that trip was a 9.
A 9?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry I missed it. Okay, well, we'll make sure next time we're at the next cafe,
Yeah.
we'll catch you, okay?
That's great.
Okay, now this is going to be a multi-pronged interview, because here we are at the Robinson Pie Shop, and not only are we going to be checking out the milkshakes, but we're also beginning to check out the pies. So, let's start with you, Andrew. What kind of pie did you order, mate? We go to Lucy while we're waiting? No, okay, I'll come back. No worries.
I ordered a mushroom and steak pie.
Mushroom steak, and how does it rate?
Well, it's got a nice pastry.
Good.
Best I've ever
That's great. And here come the milkshakes. Fantastic. Right, so thank you very much. Okay, Lucy, how's your pie rating? All right?
Yeah, it's good.
Going good? Excellent stuff.
Pies.
Okay, right. So the pies are going well. Fantastic. Now, let's get down to business. First impressions on the milkshake, people. Remember the scale that was issued earlier in this road trip, so try and keep the viewers in perspective. What are we giving it?
I can taste home brand ice cream. Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
It's not that great.
No. Lucille, what are we saying?
I like home brand ice cream.
Do you?
You're
So
not the professional, I'm professional.
come on then. Give it a rating.
It's going to have to be a 7.
7. Ooh, okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the Robinson Pie Shop, and it's a 7. Gentlemen, here we are in Unique Patisserie in Katoomba, of all places. This place does cakes and Malaysian food, go figure. And Andrew is about to hook into his next milkshake. Righto, Andrew, let's have you. There's not much battery left on the camera, so don't dilly-dally.
I'm ready to go for design. I like the shape of the cup. The bubbles on top, very professional, very traditional. The straw, I would have hoped for a more candy-coloured straw, maybe pink or something. But overall, the design was very nice.
Now for the taste test. And
I'm a bit disappointed. I was expecting it to be a bit thicker. It kind of tastes like milk with ice cream. And then the ice cream is just kind of melted in. And it's just vanilla flavoured milk. So, I'm going to have to give this a 6.
a 6. Oh, well, I hope the rest of the meal's not a 6, mate. That's... Okay, thank you for that. Here we are at Oscar's in the Hunter Valley having our lunch, and I have Andrew with me once again with a milkshake report. So, Andrew, tell us all about it. How are we going with today's milkshake?
Okay, well, it's good size. It is a thick shake. I have to say it's a bit messy on the sides. Milkshake spilling. Nice and full. It's got a thick straw just to get all that thick through it.
Okay, we've got the infrastructure sorted out. What about the taste? Waiting for the judge's decision.
I think not as thick as they could have got it to be. Maybe a bit thicker.
Okay, that could be a point lost, yes. Carry on.
It's very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet.
Can we have a point?
Nice additional taste. Nice and fluffy. It's probably going to be 7.5.
7.5. Okay, thanks for that, Andrew. That's terrific. Way to go. Okay, here we are at the Western Plains Zoo, and we are about to get another milkshake encounter. Righto, Andrew, take it away.
Okay, well, it's not the traditional casing, it's plastic. Looks nice and full, bubbly. Pink straw. Candy kind of feel to it. And now for the taste.
Here it comes, folks. Dubbo Zoo milkshake. Vote.
It's smooth. Not as creamy as some of the traditional ones.
So what would you rate it?
It's like, yeah, it's
Tastes like
milky.
milk.
Milky milk taste.
Okay. So what are you rating it?
Like 6.
6. Okay.
I would have given it a 5.
We're running out of options. You're giving it a 5? Yeah, well, we would have given it a 5. All right. Thanks for that. That's great. Right, here we are in Crow's Nest, because whatever that other clock joint was a disaster, and we've managed to find an eatery, and Andrew's managed to get himself another milkshake. So, Andrew, take it away.
Okay, it's kind of small. Case is nice. Lots of condensation or whatever it's called, which means it's nice and cold. It's supposed to be a thick shake, so
Did you get what you asked for?
Remember, it's been sitting out for like
it's
10
been
minutes.
sitting out. It's not thick at all.
But that was thick when you first got it.
What is
That
that?
was like 10 minutes ago.
Right, okay. So, verdict?
6.
A 6.
What?
Lucy's not happy. Okay, I guess it's a 6. Thank you. Well, surprise, surprise, surprise. Here we are. Back having another one of Andy's milkshake reports.
Yes.
Take it away, Andrew.
His hair's changed.
Okay.
So where are we, mate? Where are we?
Go to Casablanca.
And where's that?
In the garden. Our home.
Yes, there's no road trip involved, is there? No.
No, it's not. Anyway, so
Every single time we
I'd
went
just like to start with the size. It's a 9. Like the condensation, it's a 9. So far we got 2 9s. The froth, let's see. There it is. So the froth on the top's nice, and it shows it is well mixed. And now the taste is the biggest test. The taste is definitely a 5.
A 5?
Because,
You can remember the old ones?
yeah, this is
And this is not up to a 5.
as you can see, it's got chunks of like icy ice cream on there. Like
It's
a
going to
taste
lose
of
your
milk.
point, isn't it? So a
taste-
5.
Taste the milk overall, it's a 7 because the size and the shape and
Is that a
Any other
picture?
milkshake?
Well, thank you, Andrew.
Yeah, yeah.
That's great. Thanks, mate. Well, here we are at what's now called the Puma Roadhouse, I think. It used to be Southside Matilda or something. And Andrew, he's sitting here beside me, bought himself a vanilla milkshake, and so we need to get a report in keeping with our road trip milkshakes.
well, it's nice and cold. It's good. It's obviously not the original cup, but that's nice condensation, so it's got a good character to it. Now the taste, it's nice and sweet, pretty creamy, so I'll give it a 7.
A 7? Wow. That's not bad for a place like this.
No.
Given some of the places we've had milkshakes. Well, that's good. A 7, right, eh?
Yeah.
Thanks.